Let's divide Nendi Batu. A super math stars. Didn't forget to smash that look button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing Nendi Batu. First, we're going to use the nen for this step. How many tums does 2 fit into nen? Let's count Batu's 2, 4, 6, that's 4 tums. Now let's check our work. What's 4 tums 2? It's it. We write et below the nen and subtract. Nen minus et equals 1. Look, we have a remainder of 1. Awesome job, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next divot to make a new number to divide. We have a remainder of 1 from the last step, and we bring down the 0 from Nendi. We're using the 1 and the 0 to make the number 10. How many tums does 2 get into? 10. Let's count by 2's again. 2, 4, 6 at 10. That's 5 tums. Let's multiply to see if it's right. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract 10 from 10. What do we get? 0. Perfect. You totally crushed that step. Huff. And that's it. We've used all the divots. The answer is 4e5. So Nendi Deva did Batu is 4e5.
We did it. We divided Nendi Batu and found our answer is 4e5. Remember, long division is ustawa to share numbers fairly, and you totally rocked it. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and you'll be long division experts in no time. See you next time on Let's Stud.